raised to power 3. Isn't it? Yes. Now, at the first step, first find the function of f. So meaning that function of f is equal to 2x raised to power 3. When you step the software product under the first principle, necessary. So you step the software product. Then the second step, find the change or the increase. One go charge you one. Now this is our code. I think a video. So based on our definition, a quantum method, a differentiation is all about the rate of change of a function. So meaning that at the second step, to get out the increase in the value or the increase in the function. So which means x plus what? H. And now we assume n of h. So we assume this h to be at the closest point. To be the closest change in our function what? X. And we treat this one as the limit of what? As the limit of 0. And we treating that we are running just 0. Why do we treat it as running just 0? Because it has the closest point, and it's not the closest change of our function what? Of our function x. And one of them on to h. Then thirdly, what do we do? So we subtract. The increase in the function minus the original function. So meaning that the increase in the function which is x plus what? H minus the original function which is what? X. The step the opposite. So that's what we are applicable under the first principle method. So what you're going to speaking out. I just want to does it. Umareno need up. No one money is up. Cut off subtracting. Our fourth step is to divide. Cannot be dividing by h. So divide by h. What you have got here, 12 to get a sum in h. So divide by h. Then the final step is to substitute. Take the limit and substitute. So meaning that taking the limit of h, so taking h, taking a limit, h is equated to what? To 0. Then I will substitute. Cutting it up, just like a simple word, a simple example. Then Kura is not on any steps in what we have written. Kari Now, what an answer here. Use the first principle method to find this grammar or the function of what? Of f. And instead of find the function of what? Of f, meaning that this is the original function. So meaning we have a function of x is equal to x1 is equal to x squared. Then now they change. So the rate of change of the function can be calculated. Can you put the original and put the one putting constant change. So you are possessing which force? Is this a constant force? Okay. What type of energy are we possessing? This potential energy. So meaning that during just multiplication. Now you also talk about down. Can one increase? But just one will change. And we don't come potential to kinetic energy. Now the same applies here. Internal, the pneumatic origin. The never changing. Now this one, Now h now change. Then now I find the change or the increase of the function. So that one we can there x plus h is equal to x plus h all raised to power 2. This x squared now is this one here. But now we treat the whole bracket. Okay? So we treat this bracket as the original one, as the original function. Then equated by the power of 4. Now when you expand now this bracket, what do you get? In the bracket we expand the infinity. X squared plus 2 plus h squared. And step here for you with the positive. And step here for you with your weight. I mean, it's going to get that. Now, our third step is to subtract the increase in the function minus the original function. Can we get a quarter in a function in to Jacob the original, or a new function of f minus the original function? Can we get a quarter f into x plus h minus f of x, now which is equal to, x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus minus x what? Minus x squared. Now what is common there? Bring a positive x squared and negative x squared, meaning that a numerical equality. And it's 2xh plus what? H squared. Now what is our next step? Is to divide by h. So meaning that we divide the whole term by what? By h. Now wherever you see h, we are supposed to cancel it out. So here we have h and h squared. That one is h squared. So meaning that we are going to only remove one h out. Then the remaining is what? Is 1. And our physical name 2x plus what? H. Now what is our analysis step? It's taking the limit of h as what? As 0. And now wherever you see x, h, now substitute with what? With 0. Then I'll leave us our answer. So meaning that 2x plus what's the limit of h is what? 0. Then our final answer will be 2x. And what was the first put me at the power of method? In a gravity, when we answer in a product, in a pigeon. One day, 2x raised to power 2. 2 can multiply the product and so it is very good and just deduct the power by 1. The rock in a gravity, 2 into x raised to power minus 1. In a power of method. In a gravity, between 2. X, 2 minus 1 is 1 straight. So meaning that x raised to power 5. So which is the same as 2x. Okay.